Welcome to the future of construction. Today, we are uncovering the revolutionary technology that's transforming real estate in Mohali and across India. Mivan Construction Technology. So, what exactly is Mivan Construction? Developed by a Malaysian company in the 1990s, Mivan is an advanced aluminium formwork system that's changing how we build homes. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar construction, Mivan creates entire walls, floors, and slabs using aluminium panels and concrete, all in one continuous pour. The result? A solid, monolithic structure that's stronger, faster to build, and built to last. The process is surprisingly simple yet incredibly efficient. First, prefabricated steel reinforcement is set up. Then, lightweight aluminium panels are assembled like building blocks using a pin and wedge system. Finally, high-quality concrete is poured to create the structure. And here's the magic. These aluminium panels can be reused up to 250 times. That sustainability meets innovation. Why is everyone talking about Mivan? Because the benefits are truly game-changing. Speed. Traditional construction takes 3 years. Mivan does it in 12 to 18 months. That's 50% faster. A complete floor in just 7 days. Strength. The monolithic structure is highly earthquake-resistant with a lifespan of 70 years. Space. No visible pillars means more usable space. Up to 87.5% carpet area efficiency. Finish. Smooth, plaster-free walls that look premium and reduce maintenance costs. Eco-friendly. Minimal waste, reusable materials. It's the green choice for modern construction. And now, Mivan technology is reshaping Mohali's skyline. As Punjab's emerging IT hub, Mohali needs quality housing, fast. Let's meet the builders making it happen. Horizon Belmont by Horizon Group in Sector 88, which provide the luxury living. F Towers Mohali, a glamorous collaboration between Fashion TV and Glenworld Realtors, uses advanced Mivan construction to deliver luxury apartments in Sector 121. Wave Estate by Wave Group is implementing Mivan in its upcoming towers in Wave Garden in its township in sectors 85 and 99, already home to over 5,000 happy families. Marbala Grand by SRG Group showcases 23-storied towers with earthquake-resistant Malaysian Mivan technology in IT City, Sector 82-A, the epitome of ultra-luxury living. Escon Primera by Malva Projects is the first project in Jirakpur built with Mivan technology. Spread over 21 acres on Airport Road with a massive 35,000 square feet clubhouse. Ananta Aspire brings you fully automated smart homes with IGBC Green certification. All built with Mivan technology for crack-free, sustainable living. And many more. Whether you're a home buyer looking for quality and speed, or an investor seeking value, Mivan Construction delivers on all fronts. It's not just about building faster. It's about building better, stronger, and smarter. As Mohali continues to grow, Mivan technology ensures that development is both rapid and responsible. The future of construction is here, and it's being built with Mivan technology, right here in Mohali. Ready to invest in quality? Look for projects with Mivan Construction, because your home deserves the best foundation. For more insights on Mohali's real estate market, subscribe to our channel and stay updated with Acres to Yards.